if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
They say Ghiton is known as the Venice of the North.
Does it deserve that name?
We'll let you be the judge of that.
Hey guys,
welcome back to our channel. We are Suprash. Today, we are going to our neighboring country, the Netherlands. When you think about the Netherlands, the first place that comes to mind is Amsterdam.
But Netherlands has a lot of beautiful places. Today we are going to visit one of the beautiful and scenic village. The village name is Ghiton.
It's also known as Venice of the North or Dutch Venice.
So stay tuned to explore Ghiton with us.
We are driving from Brussels to Ghiton, which takes approximately 3 hours by road.
But you could also take a train, which will take around 5 hours. So we are entering Netherlands. Did you know Ghiton is also a car-free town? So for few days we will be enjoying a pollution-free, raw, simple life.
So, after a long drive, we are finally in Ghiton. Parking lots in Ghiton are laid out in such a way that you have restaurants, cafes, boat rentals or walkways near them. At some places you can even rent bikes. So, let's go check out Ghiton.
Did you know most parts of Ghiton are not accessible by road? People here either walk or use boats here. The roads leading to Ghiton have car parks here, and those car parks are free here. The boats in Ghiton are mostly electric and are known as whisper boats as they don't make lot of noise.
But you do see some people partying in the boats here, enjoying themselves on a Sunday afternoon, so be prepared either ways. There's no way you can escape the noise.
But you could also bring along some food and drinks and go on this boat ride and enjoy your food.
And if you don't want to take a boat on your own, you can always take a boat tour in a boat like this, where you can sit down and someone else takes you around. So the tour boat, it costs $12.50 per person, and you have the electric boats, which depending on the size of the boat, it's either 20 euros per hour or 40 euros per hour. The smaller boats can be driven yourself, and depending on the number of hours you take, you have different routes. This is the smaller one which you see over here, which costs 20 euros per hour, and the bigger one is coming over here, which costs 40 euros per hour. You see how crowded it is today on a Sunday, a long weekend, so there are a lot of people around.
It's also Easter, so of course we have a lot of people around here. And it's also a perfect sunny weather.
You see here some nice flea market kind of stall where you can pay what you feel for the dishes over here.
You can see here people have parked their cycles, and if you read here it says parking here gratis you feeds. It means that you can park your cycle for free. So here we are going to now check out some ice creams. I've seen a lot of people eating ice creams here, so we thought we should also check it out.
On this hot sunny day, we've come to try out some ice creams. We saw a lot of people having ice creams around here and we just couldn't resist. So you see I've got a stroopwafel ice cream sandwich.
I don't know how many of you guys know that it's kind of very famous ones.
Yeah, the stroopwafel in the Netherlands, it's very famous.
So Ash is going to try this. And I have got Nutella croissant.
Soup loves Nutella and it's one of her favorite spreads, so she could not resist that.
So we will try it out and give you the feedback.
See a hot air balloon ride over here with such beautiful views. It's gonna be amazing to be on that hot air balloon, looking at all these views down here, all the canals, all the boats, the ducks flying in the air.
If you would like to buy some jewelry, shells, we also have a shop here. You can see here Shell and Jewelry Gallery, Gloria Miles. But today, unfortunately, it's closed, so we cannot go there. If you plan to visit, definitely you can have a look here.
This is the Oude Aarde, which literally translates to the old earth. It's got a shop and a museum where you get minerals, crystals, and a lot of other souvenirs. We have come to eat at a place called Smith's Pavilion, and you see the views from here. You sit at the waterfront and enjoy the view.
We will also show you inside the pavilion as well how the ambience is. We have lots of seats that are facing the water, so we can have our food and enjoy the view as well.
We also have some seats outside, but we chose to sit inside.
Right now it's little bit cold outside since it's evening time. Such a lovely place, nice and ambience, and the water is just right next to us.
We ordered some chicken burgers for dinner. So let's dig in. And this is how Keaton looks at night. It's all empty.
Mostly people have chashma there. Not white.
Not white. This is temple. Leave Ryan. You they have to me, huh?
You can see, apart from a few people still straggling around, the streets are completely empty at night. And the houses look so beautiful. You see the reflection on the canals of the houses when they're lit up. We did not go boating as we had already been boating the last time we were here. And we do have some advice. If you do want to go boating and if it's a busy day like today was, do plan ahead and book your boats online. You do have an option of book it online.
So, if you don't want to go to Venice or you don't have time to go to Venice, I think Ghiton is the best place to visit because it is also known as Venice of the North. Also, if you haven't checked our Chamonix travel series, please do check it out.
Do you think Ghiton should be called Venice of the North?
Let us know in the comment section below.
And we hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like the video, please like, share,
Because sharing is caring.
and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't done so. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Mic connected. Yes. And action! God was a fighter. Okay.
You're live.